Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are looking into the iPad 10th generation. This is the Wi-Fi plus cellular model, 64 gigabytes, and the color is silver. Let's take a look, see what's inside, and go over the specs, pros, and cons. Alright, once you open the box, right on top you'll find the iPad itself. Underneath, there's a USB-C charging cable, a power adapter, Apple stickers, and the documentation. The iPad feels light, yet solid and premium. The design is modern with flat edges and no home button. Touch ID is built into the power button, the bezels are slim, and this silver color looks really clean. The iPad has a 10.9-inch liquid Retina display, and it looks really sharp with a resolution of 2360 by 1640. It's bright too, up to 500 nits, so colors really pop off the screen. Inside, it's running on Apple's A14 Bionic chip with 4 gigabytes of RAM, which means it's smooth for everyday use and even some light gaming. On the back, you've got a 12 megapixel camera, and the front camera is also 12 megapixel. But this time placed in landscape, which makes FaceTime calls look so much better. Battery life is solid, up to around 10 hours, and it now charges with USB-C. Installing the SIM card is simple. Apple includes a pin tool that lets you pop out the SIM tray, just like on an iPhone. Once the tray is out, slide in the SIM card. So what's great about this iPad? First, the design. It really looks and feels like a smaller iPad Air, sleek and modern. Second, performance. The A14 chip may not be the newest, but it still runs apps and games smoothly. Third, battery life. It's dependable and easily lasts through a full day, and the speakers, surprisingly powerful for a tablet this size, making movies and music a lot more enjoyable. Now let's talk about the downsides. The screen looks good, but since it's not laminated, you might notice a little gap between the glass and the display. Accessories can also feel a bit tricky. It only works with the first-gen Apple Pencil, and you'll need a USB-C adapter just to charge it. It also supports the new Magic Keyboard Folio, but not the older keyboards. And if you need more power for heavier tasks, the iPad Air with the M1 chip is a better option. First thing I do with a new iPad is throw on a screen protector. It keeps the screen safe from scratches and fingerprints and gives me peace of mind, especially if kids are using it. Plus, it helps the iPad stay looking brand new. So, who's this iPad for? If you want a modern, stylish tablet for browsing, streaming, or schoolwork, this is a great pick. On a budget, the 10th gen is solid. Need more power? Go for the iPad Air. Alright, let's wrap up with a protective case to keep it safe. Links for the case and screen protector are in the description. Check them out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments.